Hey everybody. So in this video, I'll be discussing about a particular test case that I have seen sometimes in the wild. Now, I do not do a lot of bug bounty, so I'm not sure if this will be relevant there, but I think you can definitely try this out in your day-to-day assessments when you are performing penetration tests. Now, let us suppose that you have come across a particular website and you have also been able to find out a particular endpoint. That endpoint is .git. So this is where the actual test case comes into play. What happens in production or in wild is that a lot of developers push their code to GitHub and from there they straight away download it to a particular host and then they straight away deploy it. So what can this contain? This can contain the entire source code of the application or even third-party dependencies that there. So let us see how you can make use of this. So where to start? So there are a lot of tools that you can make use of, the simplest one being curl, or you can also make use of a tool called Git Dumper. So what this will do is it will help you download all the Git files. So all you need to do is type the name of the command followed by the name of or the URI and the name of the directory in which you want to save the output. As you can see, I have been able to download all of the contents. And if I see, you will see a download folder being created. Now, if I go to that download folder, if I type in ls tag a, you will see that it will list all the hidden directories. Here is where you can make use of your knowledge about GitHub and the Git CLI tool. So I have Git installed, and if I type in git log, so this will show me all the commits that were done by a particular developer. And one of those commits might contain something sensitive, let's say credentials or even comments that should be confidential. So let's suppose that I have this particular log. So what I will do is type in git show followed by the hash of that commit. And you will see that it will print you out something. Now in my case, it is not showing much because this is how I created it to be. But in wild, you might find a lot of hashes and you can go through each of those hash individually and try to look for things that are interesting.